Hi everyone, I am Danesh Ande. I am working for ICE team. Now I am going to present a demo on enabling integration platform on Docker with live demo. This is my agenda for the day. I will explain you about Docker Universal Control Plane and on-premises containers as a service and features of Docker UCP. And finally, I will show you how I achieved my whole integration platform on Docker. Integration platform on Docker. I hope everyone is aware of Docker, Docker containers, images, and Docker Hub. These are the terms all are aware of, and I will tell you what is the business problem, why I am showing it, and why I am interested with Docker UCP. The business problem is more and more images are loaded into containers, and containers running on nodes or on VMs. How to manage them, and how to see them in one dashboard. How to do monitoring on top of it. Which of them is down, which of them is on cloud, which of them is in host, which is there on-prem, and how do I see all of that? How do I see my volumes? This is the need we can come up with Docker Universal Control Plane. And with my demo, I will solve this business problem. Firstly, I will give you an introduction to Docker Universal Control Plane. And then in my live demo, I will showcase you about how I achieved my whole enterprise integration platform on Docker. Docker UCP is an integrated platform for both IT and developers, which is provided by the Docker Data Center. And this Docker Data Center includes leading Docker open source projects, commercial software, integrations with validated and supported configurations. And this Docker Data Center provides universal control plane with embedded swarm with the integrated management and orchestration of the Docker environment, and it also provides trusted registry and Docker engine. I will explain more about it on next slides. Moving on to the next slide. Here I will explain you about the architecture of the container as a service platform. Here I am having infrastructure on my physical machine, and on top of that I have Windows OS, and on top of that I have Docker engine, and on top of that I have Swarm Manager, which will manage all the nodes as a single host, and on top of that I have Docker Universal Control Plane with inbuilt security, and we can create nodes and containers on top of Docker UCP. We can deploy, manage, and scale our containers, and also we can do monitoring, logging, networking, and volumes, etc. And also we can do continuous integrations on top of Docker Universal Control Plane. Moving on to the next slide. Here I will explain you about the on-premises containers as a service. For organizations who need to keep their IP within their network, Docker Trusted Registry and Universal Control Plane can be deployed on-premises or in a virtual private cloud. The Docker UCP is a 30-day free evaluation provided by the Docker Data Center, which includes Docker UCP, Docker Trusted Registry, and Docker Engine. Docker UCP is nothing but, as I told you before, it is an on-premises tool that allows IT operations team manage, deploy, and scale their applications across their development Dockerized environment. Coming to the Docker Trusted Registry, it allows you to store and manage your Docker images and on-premises or in virtual private cloud. And it also provides Docker Engine inbuilt. Moving on to the next slide, here I will explain you about the overview of the Universal Control Plane. Docker Universal Control Plane is the enterprise-grade cluster management solution from Docker. We install it behind our firewall, and it helps you manage your whole cluster from a single place. And with Docker UCP, you can manage thousands of nodes as if there were a single one. You can monitor and manage your cluster using a graphical UI, as shown in the screenshot here. Moving on to the next slide, we will see about the features of the Docker Universal Control Plane. It is easy to set up and easy to use. We have built-in high availability and security. Also, we have integrated content security from development to production. For example, a central IT team can create base images, sign them, and upload their instance of trusted registry. And now developers can pull these images and start building their apps on the top of them and deploy them out to test of production. And we can also manage users and access control the application lifecycle. Live demo on Docker integration platform. Now I will give you a live demo on how I achieved my whole enterprise integration platform on Docker. This is my Docker UCP dashboard, and at the starting of my demo I told you the business problem and why I am interested with Docker UCP. In this dashboard we can see how many images are loaded into containers and containers running on nodes or VMs, and we can manage them all at one single dashboard, and we can see them in one single dashboard. We can do monitoring, and also we can see which of them is down, which of them is in on cloud, which of them is on host, which is their on-prem, and we can see the volumes, and also I can do networking, and we can allocate number of CPUs and memories also to our images. Here I am showing my whole enterprise integration platform on Docker. I have created 4 nodes, and in node 1 I am running my IBM integration bus, and in node 2 I am running MQ, whereas in node 3 I am running DB2, MySQL and MongoDB, and in node 4 I am running MuleSoft. And now I can manage all this independently. If I click on IAB, now I can see the whole details of my IAB here, and I can check the logs, and I can see the enter logs of my system at one single place. And also you can see how much CPU and memory is allocated to my system. And also we can create number of nodes. And here if you see here I have created 4 nodes, and we can see here how many containers are running and how many are paused and how many are stopped. And also we can see how much CPU is allocated and memory is allocated. We can manage everything in one single dashboard. We can also create number of users, and we can give permissions to them based on our requirement. And this is the need we can come up with Docker Universal Control Plane. And with my demo I have explained how I solved the business problem. Thanks for watching my video. If you want to learn about PubSub service in IAB, please subscribe down below. If you want for more videos, please click like and comment down below, and also subscribe for more videos.